Mm, 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 mm. Hello, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. I was in a very raw mood today, so we are all natural today with the skin and the hair and everything. After all, it's a skincare video. So I thought, why waste time applying makeup? We even have our little active pimple making a guest appearance in this video. In the next one, she shall not be there. You're not welcome, okay? I don't want to feel like I'm cheating you, so I do have a little bit of tinted lip balm on my lips and I make it myself. So, having said that, let's get started. Now, personally, I feel like there is no right time to get on a skincare routine. I feel like we should always have an amazing skincare routine so that we can always look amazing. But if your wedding is right around the corner and you need like a fresh start to your skincare routine, this is the right time and this is the right video for you. So I'm going to give you a very simple and minimal skincare routine that you can follow in the morning and in the evening, and I'm going to give you a weekly routine, and I'm also going to give you a couple of tips to make your skin and body glow. But before we start, guys, if this is the very first time you're watching my video, hello, I am Jovita, and please do take a second to subscribe to my channel. I make a lot of really helpful and fun videos on this channel, and by the end of this video, if you feel like this video helped you, go ahead and click that thumbs up button, okay? I mean, if you want to click it now, you go ahead, boo, click it. Yeah. Now, for real, let's get started. Now, let's start with a daily morning skincare routine. Step 1 is to cleanse your skin with a very gentle cleanser. And for this, guys, I recommend the DIY mung bean cleanser that I spoke about in this video. You just have to take a little bit of this in your palm, mix it up with a little bit of water and rub it on your face. Be gentle and wash it off. Cleansing done. Step 2, to really up your skincare routine, guys, introduce a toner into your skincare routine. In the morning, go for a hydrating toner that balances your pH. This will also prepare your skin for the next couple of skincare steps that you're gonna apply on your skin. So basically, we are prepping our skin like we prime our skin before makeup. Now, I recommend the Ilana Organics Clarifying Toner. This contains witch hazel and camellia, which are all amazing for your skin. This is also called the clarifying toner, so this is gonna unclog your pores, freshen up your pores, and that will help tighten your pores as well. And if you have acne or pimple problem, using this toner is going to help with that issue. I also love the fact that all the ingredients of this product is 100% naturally derived. Now, after you apply the toner, wait for a couple of minutes and let this toner completely absorb into your skin. These are those tiny little details that people forget, and it makes the world of a difference, you guys. When you let each of your skincare product absorb into your skin, you're getting the full benefit of the skincare product. If you apply one after the other before you give it the time to absorb, they're all gonna just sit on top of your skin and maybe even clog your pores and give you acne. So the same products can work wonders or give you acne depending on how you apply them. Step number 3 is a serum, and the serum that you choose has to depend on the treatment that you need for your skin. Is your skin dull? Does it have acne? Are you looking for a little bit of anti-aging, a little bit of plumping? Is it dry? You need to find out your problem and find a serum that answers your solution. Now, here's a serum that I recommend which will benefit every single person. This is the Ilana Organics Clarifying Skin Serum, and this contains argan oil and tea tree oil. This also contains rosemary, lavender and lemon, all of which is amazing for your skin. So it's gonna give your skin a glow, it's gonna unclog your pores, and overall it's gonna make your skin look even toned and beautiful. So take 2 drops of this on your palm, rub it in between your palm, and then gently press it onto your face. And make sure that you give this serum 2 minutes to completely absorb into your skin. Step number 4, moisturizer. Now, if you have dry skin or combination skin, go for a light, simple moisturizer and evenly apply it all over your skin. Now, if you have oily skin, this serum would have taken care of the moisturizing anyway, so you can skip the moisturization. And now let's move on to the final step, step number 5, which is sunscreen. Sunscreen is so important, guys. If you do not apply sunscreen, all of these skincare steps that we do will be exposed to the sun, the pollution. The sunscreen is gonna be like a plastic wrap on your face and gonna keep all of this intact. It's also going to reduce age spots, uneven tanning, hyperpigmentation, and premature aging. And that's it for your morning skincare routine. Now let's move on to the evening skincare routine. Step 1 obviously is going to be cleanse. If you wear makeup, you have to remove the makeup first and then go into a cleanser. To remove your makeup, I recommend a cleansing milk like the Omorphe one, or a cleansing balm like the Hamish one, or a cleansing oil that works for you. Anything that works for you. And then you move into a slightly deeper cleanser than we used in the morning. But if you're using the mung bean cleanser, it works just fine. So you just have to make sure that you remove your makeup first and then apply the mung bean, leave it on your face for like 5 minutes and then slowly massage it and take it away. That's a good cleanser for evening, guys. Evening skincare step number 2 is to get yourself an exfoliating toner. Now this toner is different from the one that we use in the morning. Now the exfoliating toner is something like a glycolic acid toner. I really like the one from The Ordinary and the Pixie. You can use whatever you have. Anything that says AHA and even BHA is good for you. So get whatever works for you. Take it on a cotton pad and wipe it down your face and neck and let it dry. Step number 4 is to apply a thicker moisturizer. Anything that has been working for you up until now, you can continue to use it. You don't have to invest so much energy and thought into a moisturizer because all of the other benefits we are gaining from the toners and the serums that we use. And as a final step for your evening skincare routine, seal it all in with an oil. And I highly recommend the Ilana Organics Brightening Serum. This is an oil-based serum. It has papaya and lemon in it, so it's very high in vitamin C. And because it's oil-based, I like to apply this after your moisturizer to seal all of your skincare steps in the end and also get the benefits of this serum as well. This contains papaya, wheat germ oil, lemon, grapeseed oil and vitamin E. So this little guy is so potent, so amazing to give you that unbelievable bridal glow. So all you have to do is take a couple of drops in your palm, rub it in between your palm to slightly warm it up, and once again press it down on your face. And once you get it all over your skin, I like to give myself a slight little massage to get the product into my skin. And that's it with your evening skincare routine. You're donezo. Doing this routine just for 1 week, you're gonna get insane results. Your skin is going to glow like no tomorrow. But if you are going to be a bride, I recommend starting this routine at least 3 months before. So just in case any of these products are not agreeing with your skin, you're allergic to something, you know well in advance and you don't have to worry about fixing your problems and fixing your allergies in the last minute. For a weekly routine, I recommend doing a facial at home by yourself at least 2 times a week. I personally, guys, I like to do my own facials. I don't trust parlor ladies just because I feel like they're unhygienic and a lot of times they don't know what they're doing. I'm not talking about all the parlors, but I'm talking about a lot of the parlors. Step 1 is to steam your face. This is important to open up your pores and to make sure that your skin is ready to start receiving all of the goodness. Now to steam, you can get a steamer from Amazon. They are very inexpensive. I'll leave a link down below. Or you can just take a pot of water and get it boiling and then take it off the stove. Make sure you don't burn yourself, okay? Have somebody to supervise you. Kind of lean forward and get your face over the steam gently. Again, do not burn your skin. And steam for at least 10 minutes. Once you're done with the steaming, step number 2 is to apply a deep pore cleansing mask. And I highly recommend the Ilana Organics Clarifying Face Mask. And the reason I like it is because it's got charcoal, kaolin clay, and seaweed. So the charcoal is going to detoxify your skin. Kaolin clay is going to brighten your skin, get rid of your hyperpigmentation, and really pull out the gunk from your pores. That gets rid of all the unnecessary bumps and lumps and whiteheads and blackheads and acne and pimples. Is gonna get rid of all of that excess gunk from your skin. And it's also got seaweed and black plum in it, which is very nourishing to the skin. So how I like to use it is take a teaspoon of this powder and mix it with a teaspoon of aloe vera gel, mix it up and apply it on my face, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. And when you wash it off, guys, use a gentle circular motion. So you're also kind of giving yourself a gentle exfoliation, so to say, but don't be harsh. Be very gentle, okay? And once you wash it off, we move into step number 3. For our facial, it's a simple 3-step facial, guys. Finish it all off with a moisturizing mask. And for this, I recommend the Ilana Reviving Moisture Mask. Now this has pomegranate, grapeseed oil and camellia among other ingredients in it. It is so soothing and nourishing. It's got anti-aging properties, it's got brightening properties, and it insanely moisturizes your skin, guys. Oh, it smells so divine. So it's even got that aromatherapy going on. You just use it once and your skin will be glowing, guys. Oh, got a little on my hand. Gonna rub it into my face. So this is like a thick moisture cream, so you can apply a thick layer of it as a mask and wipe it down after 15-20 minutes, or you can even use it as a sleeping mask, or if you have really dry skin, guys, you can even use it as a night cream. So it's got multi-purpose. And that's the end of your facial. If you want to seal it all in, you can go back to that brightening oil from Ilana Organics and take 2 drops and just press it on your face on top of all of this and do this twice a week. People are gonna be like, She's glowing. We need shades to protect ourselves from this glow. Now, I want to give you some tips to follow. Tip number 1 is to start all of the skincare routine at least 3 months before, and I explained why. Tip number 2, drink at least 4 liters of water every day, guys. The more water you drink, the more glowy your skin is gonna be. Tip number 3, eat loads and loads of fruits and vegetables. Now, if you have trouble eating vegetables, you get greens powder. I'll link it down below again. You can just take a scoop of it, mix it in water, and you get the benefits of having a lot of salad, but you're just drinking it in. I know it's lazy, but you do what you have to do, guys. You can do green juices. Tip number 4, cut down on dairy and sugar. Dairy and sugar are one of the leading causes of pimples, acne, weight gain, bloating. So if you cut down on your dairy, the chai, cheese, cream, whatever, and also the sugar. If you are having tea, remove the sugar out of it and remove the milk out of it. What I do, guys, is I use almond milk for my coffee or tea, and I do not use sugar in it. But I'm not a bride, so I have sugar in other forms. Like I have my cakes and chocolates, okay? But you are the bride. You take care of yourself, okay? Cut down the dairy and sugar. I'm telling you want the glow or not? Tip number 5, start exercising. Now, your level of exercise can be anything, starting from just 20 minutes of brisk walking or just a little bit of dance. Put on your favorite Bollywood number and jive to it. Do yoga, do Pilates, or go to the gym and do like heavy lifting. You know, whatever you like, you do it, but do start exercising at least 4 times a week. Tip number 6, if you are a smoker, question number 1, why do you do it to yourself? Why do you do it to your lungs? Stop smoking. If you are a heavy coffee drinker, cut down on your coffee. Up to 2 cups a day is okay, because caffeine is kind of dehydrating to your skin. So is smoking, and smoking also ages you, guys. It's so bad, and I don't have to tell you why smoking is bad. So if you smoke, stop. I know it's difficult, or try to reduce it. I don't know, you do your thing, but I'm just giving you the facts. Stop smoking and reduce the number of coffee that you have. And tip number 7, stay happy. Easier said than done, right? Try to not stress about life and what's happening. It's a new beginning. It's a lot of changes. It's a lot of stress. I know, I understand, but try to keep it away, because you stress or not, what's gonna happen is gonna happen. Keep that in mind. So that's it for this video, guys. I'll try to link all the products I spoke about down in the description box below. And if you are a bride, congratulations. May God bless you. And if you are not a bride, yeah, baby, yeah, you get on that skincare routine right now. It doesn't, you don't have to be getting married to have beautiful skin. So it's that time right now, guys. What time, you ask? The time when I ask you to review my video. Did you find this helpful? Did you enjoy this? If the answer is yes to the questions above, go ahead and click that like button underneath. I shall see you on my Instagram with more tips and love. Let's chat over there, and I'll see you later. Mwah.